As you're all aware, the youngest state in the country, Telangana state, has made a lot of strides when compared to the national average on many parameters. Telangana has done much better than the country as a whole. So, especially the kind of water levels which used to be there in Telangana, and today it's a great example that what a young state with determination, courage of conviction can do in any field. So a number of areas, whether it is industrialization of Hyderabad and around Hyderabad, entire Telangana state, creation of jobs, or any aspect, Telangana has done much better than many other states. And as you are aware, Telangana is a God-gifted state. Very few states have the kind of advantage which Telangana has got. Our capital is right in the center of a state, which rarely happens. Many other states have capital in one corner or the other, whereas we have right in the center. Most of the district headquarters can be reached within 1.5 hours, especially the kind of high-speed rail and high-speed road network is happening all over the country. So it indicates that in future, from any part of Telangana, most parts of Telangana, within 1 hour actually they should be able to reach Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is the heart of the state, and we are playing a very, very vital role. As you're all aware, we are proud that we are able to build the world's largest metro rail system in public-private transportation, so PPP mode, and many more things we are going to achieve. Now we have started phase 2 of Hyderabad Metro. The airport metro preliminary activities are going in full swing. A lot of activity is going on. We will be very, very busy. Development and prosperity of Telangana state and Hyderabad city in particular. And I wish you again all the very best. Jai Telangana.